Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share a real case study where the installer used an SG25CX-P2 together with IM4 and the Sungrow Smart Meter DTSD1352. At the beginning, the smart meter connected to the inverter was not detected. From the IM4 local access webpage, you can see that the meter communication was offline. After that, we advised the installer to enable transparent transmission via Standby RS485 Port, as shown in this video. After a short while, the communication status of the smart meter turned green, indicating a successful connection. Take note, if you encounter a similar issue, remember to check and enable transparent transmission via Standby RS485 Port. That's it for this case study. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow setup tips and solar troubleshooting tutorials.